So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in default apps, click on it. And now once we're here, under set a default for a file type or link type, in this box, you want to type in .aspx. You should now be seeing this, .aspx, you want to select this. Now you want to select choose a default. You want to select Adobe Acrobat if you see it here. Select Adobe Acrobat and then click on set default and then the problem should be fixed. If you don't see Adobe Acrobat here, you want to select browse apps in the Microsoft Store. And now this will come up. You want to search for Adobe Acrobat. You should now be seeing Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. You want to select this and then you want to install this. By the way, this will take a while to install. After you install it, you then want to select choose a default. And then you want to select Adobe Acrobat once it comes up, click on set default and then the problem should be fixed.